What is up, YouTubers? It is me, System Sensor 250, and welcome back to another brand new video. And guys, today's video we are doing another episode video. In today's video we are doing a Greenville roleplay episode 3. In today's episode 3, we're gonna be doing a tornado siren hunting. So guys, so a lot of people does not know what is the tornado siren hunting is. Well, basically, it's where you can actually hunt a tornado siren, but different names of it. So you go to different locations, and then a lot of people, some people can actually take pictures of the tornado siren and hunt. So. So that's what it looks like that the tornado siren hunting is. So that's what we're going to be doing for today's episode video. Now, before we get right to today's video, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and don't forget to smash that bell button. Anyways, guys, if you do guys have any questions, let me know for the comments, or just chat me on Discord, and I'll appreciate it for your answer. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's go ahead and get right to today's episode. Let's get started. Alright, guys, so right now we are in for the siren. For my siren hunting is I have a 2022 V-Load voltage trim 6.2 supercharged. It's very fast. This can go about like at least 180 miles an hour. That is very fast. So that's just like a Tesla Model S, I believe. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get right to the siren hunting. Let's get started. Alright, guys, the first of tornado siren hunting is we are going to the there are several tornado sirens in different locations. I know where it's at already. So let's go ahead and start off with the first one. Alright, guys, first off, let's see, which one is it? Oh yeah, I have to make a right turn. Alright, guys, the first tornado siren is right near the probably it's right near the Joe's Collection repairs, not like too far. So that's where I'm gonna be heading to the first tornado siren location. So anyways, I just passed a roundabout, so I know where it's at, so let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, guys, we just barely made it at the first tornado siren location. Alright, guys, the name of the siren, right here, let me go turn around so you can actually see it. Alright, I just done a U-turn, so anyways, let's go ahead and jump out. And over there, let me zoom out so you can actually see it. Alright, guys, the first tornado siren, the name of the siren is American Signal T128. It's a rotating siren, and the sound is the chopper. So it actually works, the tornado siren actually work. It can't do it on public server, but to able to activate it, all you have to do is you need to go to you have to create your own private server. And then once you create your own private server, you can now activate the tornado siren. That is for the private server only. You can't activate it to the public server. Oh, they're gonna scare all of the players away in public. So to be able to do that, you have to you have to do the private server to work. Anyways, guys, that was the first tornado siren location. So now we're now ready to leave. And we're gonna head down. Now we're gonna head to the next tornado siren location. Let's see here. Next tornado siren location is we're gonna heading down to the Fox Mountain Bank. Fox Mountain Bank is the second tornado siren location. So it's right near the Fox Mountain Community Bank. So that's where we're gonna be heading to. So, and that's where the tornado siren's located. So, anyways, let's go ahead and continue down to the road. Alright, guys, I'm so sorry about that. I just wish I got kicked out because I need to rejoin back in. It was very super glitchy. So, alright, guys, I'm back in. I'm so sorry. Sorry, I officially have to cut the video because I got kicked out without able to save videos. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get to the second location. Is the Fox Mountain Lake. Alright, guys, here's the second tornado sound location, and it's right near the Lakeville. You can actually see it. Alright, so here we are. The second tornado siren location. Same brand and the same name. American Signal T128. I think there's a bunch of tornado sirens that is called American Signal T128, but there's two actual tornado sirens. We have two federal signals. I'll show you. I will do that in just a second. Alright, that's the second tornado siren location. Let's go ahead and continue on. Anyways, guys, let me go ahead and pause the video really quickly. So let me go ahead and pause the video, and then once we get back, and then once we get to the third tornado siren location, I'll resume the video. Anyways, I'll be right back. Alright, guys, we are back. So right now we're at the third location that the tornado siren is right near the Wisconsin State Patrol right here. Sorry, it takes a few hours, just about a few minutes drop because I need to save my video recording time. So that's why I just cut the video. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get to that was actually a third tornado siren location. Let's go ahead and get to the fourth tornado siren location. So now let's go ahead and get to the fourth. And the fourth tornado siren location is the fire station. And the one that the name of the tornado siren right near the Wisconsin is the same name. American Signal T128. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get to the fourth tornado siren location. And we are at the fourth tornado siren location. Alright, guys, this thing is different. As you can see here. So, brand new building, Greenville Fire and EMS. I officially love that. Anyways, guys, this tornado siren, and here's the fourth tornado siren right there, and this is the Federal Signal Thunderbolt. I believe that's a 1003, or 1000, or I should say. So, anyways, yeah, that was actually very cool. Tornado siren location. Last current location, the fifth tornado siren location. Anyways, guys, let me go ahead and pause the video, and I'll catch you back, guys, later once I get to the fifth tornado siren location. Alright, guys, we are at the fifth tornado siren location and final tornado siren locations here. And it's right at the barn area. It's right near the park right there. So right here, guys, this model is different. It's the same name for different model. So we have a Federal Signal 3T22 yellow tornado siren, and it's located at the barn in Greenville. So anyways, guys, that is our final destination. So the total, I believe, we have five tornado sirens in Greenville. Maybe they're gonna plan to have another tornado siren in different locations. So maybe we'll figure that out in just a second. Again, tornado siren actually works, but not in public server because they can actually scare the people. They can actually threaten the people. So anyways, and also the citizens as well. So to be able to work, you only have to do a private server only to activate the tornado siren. Same thing as fire alarms. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Now, before we end up with today's video, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and don't forget to smash the notification button. So if you do guys have any questions, just let me know for the comments or chat me on Discord as well too. So anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.